Hi everyone, and this screencast will show you how to make a Quizlet and then how to share it to me at the end. It's possible to share it to me by email. Okay, so first thing, just open up Quizlet.com on Google Chrome. Many of you use Quizlet in beginner level, I'm sure. Okay, so here's my Quizlet, one of them anyway, and I have quite a few, but I'm going to log out so that you see what it looks like. More likely like this. Okay, so what I suggest is you can click just create. You want to create one, and it'll come up with this form to sign in. I just continue with my Google sign in, and I've already did this earlier. Okay, so this is the title. It says create new study set, so this is the title. You can click create to get this title, and the next thing you do is you can move to add the first word when you're done with that. Okay, so I already have here, usually you add card by clicking here, and we can put in something like popular. Okay, now the first time you do this, it will ask you for the language, so you will have to select English. So just click there on this side and select English, and then click on where it says enter definition, and you will get 3 definitions. Oops, not that. So you can choose the easiest one, the one that's easiest to understand, and the one that's connected to advertising and marketing topic. Also, I would add adjective, the part of speech, because that is important for you to know. Next thing, you can add an image. So you could add a rock star, or you can add a popular person at school. Okay, let's try another one. Advertisement. Check the spelling. Okay, paid public notice recommending some product or service message. So you have to choose the best one. None of those are very good. They're all complicated and difficult, and you probably won't understand it. So an advertisement, e.g. for Coca-Cola, okay, is a poster or information on TV commercials about a product or a service. Okay, they try to sell the product or service. Now I know what it is, so I can explain it in my own words. For you, you might have to look up a dictionary, or another way, as you know and you've done before, is you can check Google Image. Okay, images. Right. Whoops. Images. Right. So we're going to enter advertisement, and you see all these advertisements. Now you know what an advertisement is. It's going to be easier to explain it. So an advertisement is like information that informs people about a product or a service. It could be on TV, it could be on social media, it can be in the street, it can be in the health center, in a hospital, about something about health. It can be anywhere. Okay, now this one I've spelled wrong, so usually it comes up and you can check the spelling. Oh, here it is. Yeah, right. So again, I I've just put, oh no, I don't want to put that one. I want an image. So let's say if I can find an image. That one for Coca-Cola, I think is a good example. Okay, so another card, something from the topic, a mascot. So a mascot is a person or animal that is adopted by a team or another group as a symbolic figure, a teddy bear. Right, we'll put that in, but to double check, the picture may help us. Right, so this is a mascot. Okay. If you're still not sure, you can go check it on Google Image. Okay, now when you're done, I'm not sure if it'll let me create with 3 words. Okay, so it will. So what you can do now is share via email link. So you have to put my email at pnu.edu.sa, and then you send it to me. Okay, and that's all you have to do. The link, you can send it to another person if you wish. Okay. You also can copy the link, but just if you send it to me by email is the best. That way I can check your word list. I can check that the words definitions aren't too complicated and difficult, that I check that you've used words you can understand, that I check you've got a picture, you've got the part of speech, and so on. Okay, thank you.